Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please stick around. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. I'm happy to have everybody here. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing for clothing, and today I have a mix and match box to show you. And I've had pretty good luck with mix and match. My first box, I believe I kept like 5 items, and then the second one I think I kept just 2, but I feel like that's still a good box if you can keep at least 1 or 2 things. So anyway, Mix and Match is a style subscription service that you pay. I believe the normal price is $25. I could be wrong. I'll put information below and a link so you can learn more. But your first 3 months with Mix and Match are only $5, so it's a pretty good price. So you pay $5 for a styling fee, which does get credited to your any purchase that you make with Mix and Match for your clothing when they send you the box. So a stylist reaches out to you after you sign up, which is a really nice feature. And the stylist kind of gets more information about your preferences. I think I sent them a picture, a headshot, a body shot. Can't remember because it was a couple months ago. And then they reach out to you every time to see if you are in need of anything or you want anything. And you can also go on their Facebook and Instagram pages and see if there's anything that you like there. Actually like the post, and then your stylist will try to send you that item. So it's really personalized, which I like. So anyway, I'm not gonna show you the unboxing because I couldn't wait. I had gotten home earlier and didn't have too much time, but I really wanted to see what was in my box, so I opened it and saw what was in there. I'm excited to show you what I got. I haven't tried anything on yet, so I'm gonna do my try-ons and go through the items as I try them on. So you won't see me unbox them, but you will see me try them on, and I'll tell you what they are and the prices as I try them on. So I'll be back. This is not something that was in my box. I have to go upstairs and try things on, and I will be back with my items. Okay, I'm back with my first item, which is the G cowl neck ribbed sweater. It's chenille, and it's $48. So the cowl neck I'm not too crazy about. It's kind of a bigger cowl neck, and the note did say that you can wear it as an off the shoulder, which I'm not sure that I would do. The color I think is really pretty, although I don't know that it's a color for me. I don't know, I don't own anything in this color. The length of the shirt or the sweater is not bad. I do like the length, and it's super, super soft. I love the material. I've kind of been contemplating purchasing a chenille sweater, but I kind of had in mind more of like a V-neck type sweater, and I've seen them on like the Bad Habit Boutique. I think I've seen them on other websites too. So I think I'm still on the hunt for one because I don't think this is it for me. And I don't know that I like the way that the collar lays, and I don't think I'd wear it like this. But anyway, let me know what you think of this, but I think this one's going back. So we'll go to the next one and see if it was a keeper. Okay, I'm back with the G Camel Moto Suede jacket, and it's $55. So this jacket's very comfortable. It's pretty lightweight, and the material is soft. So I never considered buying a moto jacket because I'm just not a jacket person. I like to wear vests because I feel like I can have more movement with them. But this jacket's pretty cute. So the zipper detail is gold, and then it's got the zip detail on the side here, which you can kind of, I guess, it's kind of weird though, make it like an open look. I don't know if that's what that's for. And then I thought that with moto jackets, you were supposed to completely, I'll show you, zip them up, but maybe I'm wrong, and you can correct me nicely if I'm wrong. But I thought that you were supposed to zip them up, whoops, completely, but no, that doesn't look right. And I know I look crazy, so you don't have to tell me that, but I don't know. I just think it looks better unzipped, but I don't think this is the moto jacket for me. I do like the color, and I kind of like the material, but I just don't know how to wear it. So maybe, I mean, actually unzipped, I kind of like it as like a cardigan type look, because it actually feels more like a cardigan than a jacket. So let me know what you think about the open type look, but the zippers might drive me crazy, so I don't know. I'm looking forward to your feedback on this one because I think this is where I'll need your help the most with this box. So I'll be right back. I think the rest of the items that I have on or have to try on are pants, so stay tuned for those. All right, the first pair of pants I have on are by Liverpool, and I love Liverpool, and these are called the check trousers. They're $89 and they're navy, so I'm not sure if they're coming across as navy. I put on a black shirt to see if you'd be able to tell that they are navy pants, but they're a good length, they're comfortable, I think they fit pretty well, but I have a pair of navy pants, so I don't know that I'm in need of another one. I'm gonna turn the camera down a little bit so that you can see the angle, or the length, I'm sorry, of the pants. So the length is pretty good, which is nice, and I do like them. They're comfortable, but I'm not in love with them, and I know I probably won't grab for them because I frankly don't have a lot to match with them, and I already have a pair of navy pants. So again, I don't think I need two, although I'll try to come closer, but no, I don't think you can see that there's kind of a little bit of that, what did they call it, that check kind of material, or not material, but print on them. But again, it's not enough for me to keep them. So I have 2 more pairs of pants to try on, and I'll be right back with the next one. All right, I'm back with my next pair of Liverpool pants. These are also a trouser pant, and they're plaid. They are also $89. So I do like these too. The plaid is very subtle, so you probably can't see it that well on camera. It's also very subtle in person, which I like. I think plaid pants are in or coming in again, and I kind of like them. Not sure about the fit of the pants on the bottom, like the leg part where the ankles are, and I'll show you. I'll move the camera down so you can see. I just don't know if this is a flattering look on me. I don't think that I pull for them a lot because I'm uncomfortable. No, I'm not uncomfortable. I think they're a very comfortable pair of pants. I'm not sure about, you know, below the knee area and how they fit. I understand that, you know, trouser pants do fit like that, but I have a pair of trouser pants from, I believe it's Tribal, that I just love. And that's quickly becoming one of my new favorite brands for trouser pants because the fit is very good for me. So I'm just not sure about these. The print's different, they're comfortable. And then with both pairs of my Liverpool pants, I kind of struggled a little bit with the button. I do like the waist, by the way, because the waist is kind of where I like it. It's a higher waist, which I like for my pants. But the button, there's 2 buttons. There's a button over here, which is like a plastic one, and then there's like kind of one of those fasten type buttons where you have to get the fastener in that little, I'm not explaining it right, but I'll try to show you what it looks like. And it was just kind of hard to do that with both pairs of pants. I had to really work at it. So I don't know that these are the right pair of pants for me, and especially for the price tag, I'd kind of rather hold out for something that I really love. I have 1 more pair of pants that I haven't tried on yet, but I'm so excited. I'll be right back with them. All right, I'm back, and it's with something that I would never, ever, ever have pulled off of the rack for myself. They're camo pants. They're by G, and they're the camo pull-on pants, not pull-on, I'm sorry, they're zip-up pants, and they are $58, so not a bad price. They are comfortable too. I will change the camera angle so you can see, but look at the camo! Oh my gosh, I would never have picked this out. So I'm kind of excited to try these on. I wanted to try a pair of camo pants, but I never would have pulled them off the rack. What do we think? Do we like them? This is totally not me, but I'm so excited to try them on. And I kind of think I like them. I have them on, I just put a black top on. She wanted me to pair it with that gray top, but I didn't like it together, so I just threw on a black top with it because that's how I'd wear it. And on the bottom, I don't know if you can see, but it's got kind of the zip detail on each side. I don't know if you can see that, but each side has the zipper, probably up to like the top of like mid-calf, I'd say, a little bit lower. And I think they're so cool. What do you think? I might keep these. I don't know. I like them, and I'm super excited. I might go grab my vest, my fur vest, and some boots, and show you how I'd wear it because I love this. So hang tight. I'm gonna do just that. All right, I know you can't see my face, but I wanted you to see the outfit. That's more important right now for me. So I just grabbed this vest that I had. I think I got it last year at White House Black Market on sale. And it's a sweater type vest, but it's got this faux fur on the collar that I just love, and I grab for it all the time. And I just grabbed some black booties. I like this outfit. Am I crazy? I just love it. I think it's so cute. Couldn't wear it to work, but I wear it going out, and I feel like I'm just so cool. But I'm definitely keeping these, and I think you can tell that I'm keeping these because I wanted to style them and show you how I'd style them. So I think that's a sign that they're a keeper. Let me know what you think of these camo pants. I never thought I'd buy camo pants, and I never thought they'd look good on me. So I would never pull for them. So I'm so happy that my stylist, Faith, sent them to me. These are so cool. All right, I thought I was done, but I do have one more shirt that I missed to try on. So I'll be right back, and I'll quickly show you that shirt. All right, I'm back with my last top. It is also by It is $42. It's this navy flannel type shirt. They're calling it a navy plaid button up. And so it's a collared neckline. It is button up. And the bottom kind of has this solid color around the whole shirt. And I'll move a little bit closer. Don't worry, I have a cami. I'm gonna pull it up so you can see. It's got this like frayed hemline. So it's a little strange. I don't know. I kind of feel like a scarecrow in this. Look at the arms, how big they are and baggy. It's just not really a flattering look for me. I don't know. I kind of just feel like a scarecrow type look. And I just feel like it like the pattern for me cuts off at this weird point on my body because I'm shorter. I have a shorter torso. So it's not really a flattering look. I think maybe on the right person, I don't know, it could look cute, but this is just not a top for me, and it's not really that comfortable either. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of it. She tried because she knows I wanted something that had like kind of a mustard accent to it. So she did try, and I don't know, I think if I was a scarecrow, I would look kind of cute, right? I don't know, let me know what you think of this top. Anyway, I'll do my recap here really quickly. So the only thing from this box that I think I'm going to keep are those camo pants. Let me know what you think of those. Let me know what you think about everything else too, but those are the only things that I got really excited about and I wanted to style with pieces in my closet. So that's how I know those are a keeper, because I was excited to show you how they look with pieces in my wardrobe. Everything else was okay. There was nothing that I absolutely hated, but nothing that I really was like, oh my God, I have to have it, except for those pants. So anyway, I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me today. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, wherever you are, whatever time it is. And stay tuned because, you know, I'll have more unboxing soon. So I'll see you later.